Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to create a new business model and mapping. In order to create a new business model, go to this layer, business model and mapping layer in the white area, right click and click on a new business model. Now it will ask you what is the name of PMM layer. You can insert OT-PMM. Here you have checkbox, is it disabled? As of now, we can keep it disabled until we finish creating all the PMM model. Next, drag and drop all tables, all the required tables to the OT PMM. We select the required table and drag and drop, or you can select all the tables and copy and paste. Now, we have here two types of objects. The first one is fact table. Fact table have hash symbols, as you can see here on the bottom right corner. Dimension tables has no symbols. Okay. Next, in my diagram, we have three fact tables. The first one, inventory. The second one, order items. And the third one, orders. However, the PMM layer indicates that we only have two fact table, inventories and order table, while the others are dimension. Consequently, the diagram needs to be fixed before adding tables to the PMM layer. Why this happen? I will show you why it's happened and how we can resolve it. Now, first of all, we need to remove all tables from PMM layer. Select all tables and press delete button from the keyboard. Do you want to delete the object? Yes. Now we will delete the dummy from PMM layer mapping and business model and mapping layer and from presentation. Select each one and press delete. Now, why this happen? If we select all tables in physical diagram and select show physical diagram, all tables, for example here inventory, have two relations with product and with warehouse. Okay, for order items, it has two relation with products and with orders. Now BI count orders as a dimension table. However, order table has two relation with employees and with customer. So this is why BI count orders as a dimension, not as a fact. So we have solved this issue. How to solve it? How to correcting the star diagram? In order to fix this issue, we should create an alias of order table and name it as order V or any name you want it. Right click order table and the new object, press on alias. Okay. Next, add the name of the new alias, for example order underscore V, and click OK. After adding the alias, it will look like this. As you can see here, the icon beside the name is different from the other table because it is alias table. Now, select order V, the new alias, orders, and order items. Right click, physical diagram, selected object only. We will select three tables. Select this arrow and press delete. We have relationship from order items to orders. We will select this relation and press delete to remove it. Do you want to delete this object? Click yes. Now we need to create a new join between order items and order underscore V. So press in a new join and drag drop from order items to order. Drag and drop from order items to order V. It will ask you which columns you want to select from orders underscore V and order items. The relationship one too many. One column from orders has too many columns from order items, for example. Here the expression order v dot order id equal order underscore id. Select the primary key from table order items and the foreign key from table order v and click OK. A new relation has created from fact table order items to the new dimension alias table. Now, if you select physical diagram and show relationship, once the relationships are fixed, the diagram will appear as shown. Here we have order items has two dimension, product and orders V. We have inventories has two relationship with warehouse and product, and we have here detailed dimensions. We will talk about this in the coming videos. And we have the orders fact table. It has two connection relationship with customers and employees. Okay. Now let me open BI and show you the exact steps. We stop here in the last video. I will press cancel. Do you want to cancel? Yes. Now we don't need this physical one, the database. Press right click delete or press delete. Do you want to delete this object? Yes. Let me start with delete dummy. Select dummy from physical, press delete. Do you want to delete the object? Yes. Select dummy from PMM layer mapping, press delete. Yes. Okay, it's the presentation deleted as well. Now we will create a new business model and mapping. Right click here in the white area in PMM layer, a new business model. I will call it OT PMM, stand for business model and mapping, and press I will keep the disabled checked, then press OK. Now you can select all and drag and drop, or you can copy and paste. Sorry. Again, copy, paste. As you can see here, we have two fact table. Why? Because as I mentioned, the orders is connected from order items to orders. You can see, you can check the physical diagram from BMM layer as well. I will select this table only. From order items to orders. This transaction table, or this is fact table and this is fact table. However, once we have relationship from order items to orders, it's counted as lookup table. How we solve it? Again, I will select all tables from here and press delete. I will go to orders, right click, new objects, alias. I will name it orders underscore v. What is the source table? Orders. The columns, it will has the same columns in the order table because it's alias. Click OK. Now as you can see here, the icon here is different from the others tables. If you forget this table, what is the source table of this table or alias, you can double click and you can check the source table. Now I want to select this table or alias with orders and order items. Right click, physical diagram, selected object only. I will select this relationship. Suppose the cursor was here. If you want to select the arrow, you will not be able to select or keep selected. You need to put here in the select icon, mouse, and then press the arrow, click delete. Do you want to delete the object? Yes. Now in order to create a new relationship, you will click here in a new join, drag drop from order items to orders underscore v, release your click, and you will select here the customer order ID order underscore ID from this table is equal to order ID from this table. This is primary key, this is foreign key, and click, you can open it as well, and click OK. Now the relation is ready. Click close. Now if you select orders and you want to check the related table, object and direct joins, it has two relationship with orders underscore V and products. It is look like star schema. Okay, for orders, right click, physical diagram. It has two relationship with employees and customers. It's also star schema. If you select inventory, physical diagram, direct joins, warehouse and products. Now let me drag drop all these tables. I want to show you how many fact table we have, or how many fact table or transaction table. Drag and drop. Now we have three fact table: inventories, orders, and order items and orders. And regarding to the inventories, if you check the physical diagram, which one? Yes, I want to talk about this. Inventory has a relationship with warehouse with location with countries, countries with region. I want to show you in the coming video how we can consolidate these dimensions to one dimension. As of now, I will press delete to remove these tables from here. Thank you for watching this video.